Here you'll see your dashboard. Here is your calendar. These are your calorie goals. So, with your basic access, you can open your activity and do an activity.
We'll start in 3, 2, 1.
And it'll record it as an activity. So, you get a thumbs up when complete, and you are aware of how to use these because you've already completed a coaching plan with me. So here you'll see your meal plan, and these are your calorie goals. So you can continue to track your food through here. So mine is synced to MyFitness app. You can always sync it to that MyFitness app or just use it from here. From the dashboard, you can see your calorie intake for the day. As you can see, that's my calorie intake, and this is my calorie burn so far. So you always want to make sure that you're in a deficit. And these are the steps I've taken so far, and you'll see your body weight. So this is a good way to keep track of everything and continue. You can also add your own workout if you want to, and add it. Say you want to do an ab crunch, there's a whole workout library that you can use. And just press save. Of course, you'll get a tutorial with this, before you commit to just using the app for the year. All right, good stuff.